What's up, beautiful people? This is Mark Rawmaker, the Real Estate Ninja with the Home Squad at eXp Realty. I have a 4-bed, 2-bath house in Davenport, Florida in the beautiful gated community of Sereno. You guys are gonna buy this. Let's check it out.
Welcome to this beautiful, like new 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1-story home built in 2013. This home has an amazing floor plan that includes many upgrades like a large ceramic tile floors throughout the entire home. There is an oversized owner suite that features a walk-in closet, ensuite that has a walk-in glass shower and garden-style tub with dual sink vanity counter. The spacious kitchen has wood cabinets, granite countertops, and of course stainless steel appliances. It opens up to the dining area and living room, which is perfect for entertaining. The backyard is fully fenced and has an oversized open concrete patio for you to enjoy outdoor lounging and of course barbecuing. There is also a 2-car garage for added storage and keeping your vehicle protected away from all this rain and sun. Sereno is a gated community situated from the up-and-coming downtown ChampionsGate area where there are a variety of shops and restaurants, a short commute to all the Disney theme parks, golfing, and approximately about 30 minutes from the Orlando International Airport. This home will be a perfect fit for you.
You guys, inventory is at an all-time low, and I have this house for you to buy. Again, Davenport, close to Disney, close to the entertainment, close to shopping, everything. You're gonna love this house. It's open, it's beautiful, granite countertops. Call me, Mark Rawmaker, and I will set up a showing for you to buy this house. See you guys.